Hello, everyone. Hello. Welcome back to our English family. I am David.
And I am Alice. We are so happy to see you again.
Today, we have a very important topic. Oh, wow. We are learning how to talk to a doctor.
This is a bit scary for me. Medical words can be very difficult.
Right. It can be stressful. But don't worry. We will explain everything simply.
I see. Today is for B1 learners, so we will use more specific words for pain.
Exactly. Knowing how to describe your symptoms is very important for your safety.
If you enjoy our lessons, please subscribe. It helps us make more videos for you.
Yes. Now, grab a cup of tea and relax. Let's start the lesson. Alice, have you ever felt under the weather?
Under the weather. Does that mean I am standing in the rain?
No, not at all. Under the weather is an idiom that means you feel a little bit sick.
Oh, so if I have a small headache or I am tired, I am under the weather.
Right. It is not for a big emergency, just for feeling slightly unwell.
I see. I am feeling a bit under the weather today.
Yes, that is perfect. Let's repeat that together for our listeners.
Under the weather. Under the weather.
Nice. Another word we need today is symptom. Symptom. That sounds like a medical word. What does it mean?
A symptom is a sign that you are sick, like a cough, a fever, or a pain.
Oh, wow. So my headache is a symptom of my cold.
Exactly. When you see a doctor, they will ask about your symptoms.
I am learning so much already. Let's go to the clinic. First, we must call the doctor's office. We need to make an appointment.
How do I start the phone call? It makes me nervous.
Just say, "I'd like to make an appointment to see the doctor, please."
Oh, I'd like to make an appointment to see the doctor, please.
Good. The receptionist might ask, "How urgent is it?"
Urgent? That means is it a big emergency, right?
Right. They want to know if you can wait or if you need to come today. I see. If it is not a big emergency, I can say, "It's not urgent."
Yes. Or if you feel very bad, you say, "I need to see someone as soon as possible."
I need to see someone as soon as possible. Oh, wow. That sounds very professional.
It is. Now let's practice the word availability.
Availability. That is a long word. What does it mean?
It just means when is the doctor free or when is there an open time.
Oh, so I can ask, what is the doctor's availability for tomorrow?
Perfect. What is the doctor's availability?
Right. What is the doctor's availability? I feel ready to call now.
Now we are in the room with the doctor. He asks, "Where does it hurt?"
I usually just say, "It hurts here," but B1 students need better words.
Yes, let's learn 3 types of pain: sharp, dull, and throbbing.
Sharp pain, like a knife.
Exactly. Yes, a sharp pain is sudden and strong.
Oh, I have a sharp pain in my stomach.
Very good. Now, a dull pain is the opposite. It is not strong, but it stays for a long time. I see. Like a slow ache. It is a dull ache in my lower back.
Right. And the third one is throbbing. It feels like a heartbeat in your head.
Oh, wow. Like boom, boom, boom. I have a throbbing headache.
Yes, doctors love these specific words. They help a lot.
Let me try again. I have a sharp pain. I have a dull ache. I have a throbbing pain.
Excellent. Now, the doctor might ask, on a scale of 1 to 10, how bad is it?
1 is okay and 10 is terrible?
Right. It helps the doctor understand your level of suffering.
Oh, I would say it's about a 6 out of 10. Yes, that is a very clear way to explain it. The doctor needs to know the history. He asks, how long has this been going on?
I should say how many days, right?
Yes, you can say, it started 3 days ago.
Oh, it started 3 days ago.
Or if it comes and goes, you say, it's been happening on and off.
On and off, like a light switch.
Exactly. It means the pain stops, then starts again, then stops.
Ah, I see. The pain has been happening on and off for a week.
Perfect. You can also say, it's getting worse.
Getting worse means it is more painful today than yesterday. Right. It is very important to tell the doctor if the situation is changing.
Oh, wow. The cough is getting worse. Yes. Let's repeat that. It's getting worse.
It's getting worse. Oh, I hope I feel better soon.
Now, the doctor wants to help. He says, I'm going to prescribe some medicine.
Prescribe. Is that a verb?
Yes. To prescribe means the doctor writes a paper so you can get medicine at the pharmacy.
Oh, like a prescription. I will write you a prescription.
Exactly. Yes. You might want to ask about side effects.
Side effects. What are those?
These are other things the medicine does to your body, like making you sleepy.
Oh, wow. So I can ask, are there any side effects?
Yes. Or, will this medicine make me drowsy?
Drowsy? Is that a fancy word for tired?
Yes. Drowsy means you feel like you want to sleep.
Ah, I see. Will this medicine make me drowsy?
Right. And don't forget to ask, how often should I take this? How often should I take this? Twice a day?
Yes. The doctor might say, take 1 pill every 8 hours.
Oh, I understand now. Take 1 pill every 8 hours. Now, Alice, the doctor says, please hop up on the exam table.
Hop up, like a rabbit? Hee hee.
Yes, exactly. It is a friendly way to say climb up or sit on the high table.
Oh, please hop up on the exam table. I am sitting now.
Now the doctor says, I'm going to take your vitals.
Vitals. That sounds like a very B1 level word. What does it mean?
Right. Vitals are the basic signs of life. Your temperature, your heart rate, and your blood pressure.
Ah, I see. I'm going to take your vitals.
First, he uses a thermometer. He says, open your mouth, please. Oh, wow, to check if I have a fever, right?
Exactly. Yes. A fever is when your body temperature is too high.
Do I have a fever, doctor?
Then he puts a cuff on your arm. He says, I'm checking your blood pressure.
Oh, blood pressure. Is it high or low?
Right. If it is high, you might feel dizzy. If it is low, you might feel faint.
Let me think. Your blood pressure is a bit high today.
Then the doctor uses a stethoscope. He says, take a deep breath in and hold it.
Oh, wow. Like this? Take a deep breath in.
Yes. And then exhale slowly.
Ah, I see. Exhale slowly. He is listening to my lungs.
Yes. He might also ask, does it hurt when I press here?
Press? Like pushing with his hands?
Exactly. He is checking your organs.
Oh, does it hurt when I press here? If it hurts, you say, yes, that's quite tender.
Tender? Like a soft steak? Like a soft steak?
Yes, but in medicine, tender means it hurts when someone touches it.
Ah, I see. It is very tender right there.
We have the prescription now. We need to go to the pharmacy.
In some countries, we call it a chemist or a drugstore, right?
Right. In the UK, it is the chemist. In the US, it is the pharmacy.
Oh, I walk to the counter. I say, I'd like to get this prescription filled, please.
Yes. To get a prescription filled. That is the perfect phrase.
I'd like to get this prescription filled, please.
The pharmacist asks, do you have any allergies to medication?
Oh, wow, we learned this. I say, I am allergic to penicillin. Excellent. Then the pharmacist gives you the box.
I see some instructions. It says, take on an empty stomach.
Ah, I see. That means do not eat before you take the pill.
Oh, take on an empty stomach. What is the opposite?
The opposite is take with food or after a meal.
Right. Take after a meal. It protects my stomach.
Exactly. Now, what about the dosage?
Dosage. Is that the amount of medicine?
Yes. The dosage is how much you take. For example, 500 milligrams.
Ah, I see. What is the recommended dosage?
The pharmacist says, do not exceed the stated dose.
Exceed. Does that mean take more than?
Right. It means do not take more than the limit. It is dangerous.
Oh, wow. Do not exceed the stated dose. David, one more thing. Some medicine is over the counter.
Over the counter? Does that mean I jump over the table?
No. It means you don't need a doctor's paper, like aspirin or vitamins.
Oh, is this available over the counter?
Yes, perfect question. You are becoming an expert. Let's go back to the doctor. Sometimes we have symptoms that are hard to describe.
Like when the room is spinning?
Exactly. We say, I feel dizzy, or I feel lightheaded.
Oh, I feel dizzy. I feel lightheaded.
What if you feel like you are going to vomit?
I say I am sick?
You can say, I feel nauseous. That is a great B1 word.
Nauseous. Oh, wow. I feel very nauseous. David, and if your skin is red and itchy? Ah, I see. That is a rash.
Right. I have developed a rash on my arm.
Developed? Like a photograph?
Hee. In English, we develop a rash or a cold. It means it started appearing.
Oh, I have developed a rash. What about your throat, if it hurts to speak?
I say, I have a sore throat. Yes. And if your nose is full?
Let me think. A stuffy nose?
Right. Or a congested nose. That is more formal.
I am very congested today. And if you are coughing a lot? I have a persistent cough.
Persistent. Oh, wow. That means it does not stop.
I have a persistent cough. I need some syrup.
Sometimes we cannot wait for an appointment. We go to the emergency room.
Oh no, that sounds serious. In the UK, they call it A&E, right?
Right. Accident and emergency.
What do I say at the desk? I am in a hurry.
You say, I need urgent medical attention.
I need urgent medical attention. The nurse will perform triage. Triage? That is a new word for me.
It is the process of deciding who is the most sick.
Ah, I see. They decide who sees the doctor first.
Exactly. They might ask, are you having trouble breathing?
Oh, wow, that is a big emergency. I am having trouble breathing. Or, are you experiencing chest pains? I am experiencing chest pains. This is very serious.
If you see an accident, you call for an ambulance.
Right. Please call an ambulance. The operator will ask, is the patient conscious? Conscious? Does that mean awake?
Yes. Awake and talking.
Oh, the patient is unconscious if they are asleep and won't wake up.
You are doing so well, Alice. These words save lives.
Let's practice even more. Yes.
I will describe a situation. You tell me the B1 word.
Your stomach hurts when the doctor touches it. What is the word?
3, 2, 1.
It is tender. My stomach is tender.
Oh, wow, correct. Next one. You want to buy vitamins without a doctor's paper.
What is the phrase for that? 3, 2, 1.
Ah, I see. It is over the counter. Is it over the counter?
Perfect. Last one. You feel like the room is moving and you might fall.
What is that feeling? 3, 2, 1.
Right. You feel dizzy or lightheaded.
We have learned so many professional words today. Let's say them together. Listeners, please repeat. To check your heart and blood. Taking your vitals.
Taking your vitals.
Hurting when touched. Tender.
Tender. Oh.
Medicine without a prescription. over the counter.
Over the counter. Right, right.
A heartbeat in your head. Throbbing pain.
Throbbing pain.
Feeling like you will vomit. Nauseous.
Nauseous. Oh, I see.
And feeling like you want to sleep. Drowsy.
Drowsy. Excellent. You have reached the end of this long lesson. Oh, wow.
You are a champion. Your English is getting so much better.
Remember, the best way to learn is to listen again while you cook or drive.
Yes, repetition is the key.
Don't forget to tell us in the comments, what is your favorite home remedy?
I can't wait to read them.
Next time we talk about personality. Are you shy or outgoing?
I am a little bit of both.
We will see you in the next video.
Goodbye. Happy learning. Stay healthy.